So today I'm going to be unboxing a couple different styles from APL, aka Athletic Propulsion Labs. The majority of their shoes come in a shoebox style like this. It literally just flips open and voila. The first pair of sneakers that I have are the Techloom Pros. What I really like about these sneakers is that they're incredibly lightweight and very breathable. I've owned a few Techlooms in the past and they make great travel shoes. They literally weigh nothing, so they're not going to weigh your luggage down. And then to walk in them, they are incredibly comfortable. And as a bonus, they're a pretty stylish sneaker. The second pair of sneakers that I have from APL are also Techloom Pros. These guys are a monochromatic red situation. Even the logo on the tongue is completely red and matches the shoe. That's the nice thing about the Techloom Pros is that APL offers them in so many different colorways. The next pair of sneakers that I have are the Ascend style. I know these guys have shoelaces, but honestly, they are a slip-on style for me, which just makes them that much more convenient. This style also utilizes that Techloom Pro technology, that woven material that makes the shoe very breathable, which makes this a great athletic shoe. The last pair of sneakers that I have to share with you today are the Lussos. They come in a really fancy box with a magnetic closure. That's how you can tell it's fancy. And rightfully so, because this style is currently the most expensive style of shoe that APL currently offers. And these are what the sneakers look like. The body is completely made out of this quilted leather, and then that upper portion is made out of a suede leather. The tongue says APL on it, and the laces are a waxed cotton. Even though these sneakers are made out of leather, they're actually much more lightweight than what I would have thought. Now, real talk, I don't know if I would wear these guys to do any sort of athletic activity. However, I could definitely see myself wearing these around the town, running my errands.